Hi guys, welcome back to another video from Niawigs. Okay, this is my first time trying a unit from this brand, and this is their tip-in extension, guys. Okay, but before we go into this video, let's take a minute, okay, to appreciate the packaging of this tip in extension. Okay, their packaging, guys, is top notch. Okay, I love it, so I had to show you guys. Now they sent a couple of things which I'm going to show you guys as you're watching. Now this tip in extension is actually my first time installing it, and let's see how it goes. Okay, I'm just going to show you guys everything you need to know about installing a tape in extension and every other thing. Also, they sent in like booklets of how to use the tape in extension, which is really helpful, and how to care for the tape in extension. So yeah guys, this is what it looks like. Okay, this is it. It looks so natural, and it feels so soft when you touch it, and looks so natural, guys. And each tape in has 40 pieces in it. So, and they sent me two bundles, their tape in extension, each containing 40 pieces each, and that is a total of 80 piece of their taping extension, and I'm going to use all of it. Okay, in this video I'm going to use all of it, and let's just see how it goes. So right now I'm taking sections of our hair. I actually have a style in mind that I want to create, or I want to do with this tape in extension after installing it. More like a, just do like a two cornrow kind of hairstyle after installing it. And there are other ways you can style this taping extension. You can do it half up, half down. Like, the styles are much. This is what it looks like on a closer look. It looks so natural, you guys. This kinky straight looks so much like my sister's hair. And to install this tape in extension, you're going to pull out that white stuff there. Take it out because you don't need it. And when you take out the white stuff there, you just place the tape in extension under our hair. I placed the tape in extension under our hair, but I discovered that the hair I used, or the hair I took out, is too much. Okay, so I had to like reduce it. After reducing it, I just open another tape in extension and just put it on top and then close it. After doing that, I took a section of her hair to cover it, and then I'm going to just take out another like section of her hair, and I'm showing you guys a closer look here. Take the taping extension, open it up, like take out the white stuff there, and then place it under her hair, and then take another one and then just top it and then press. Okay, it is so easy, guys, installing it. But at first I made a mistake of like taking too much hair to to install the taping. You don't need much hair, you just need a little tiny, like you just need a little piece of the hair. Okay, now I'm done installing the first part of like I made it two sections. Okay, I'm done installing the first part of this of the hair, and I'm just going to move over to the next part and install it. Same process as what I did with the first part, just that this time around the hair I'm taking a lot more smaller than what I took at the beginning stage of the installation. Also, I'm going to leave all details to this tip in extension in my description box for you guys. And please, guys, help share this video with your friends. Give me a thumbs up, leave your comment in the comment section, and subscribe to my channel if you've not already subscribed. Also, turn on your post notification so you get notified each time there's a new video on my channel. So I'm going to continue the process. I took out a section of our hair and then section it into two and place the taping, which I already took the white stuff out. Place it under our hair like this and then just press a little bit, and then take another taping extension, put it at the top, just press a little, and that is it. You guys, this is what it looks like now. It is close to a scalp and it is not painful. Okay, like I asked her and she was like, it's not painful. So this is so easy. It is not painful at all and it is secured. It's not going anywhere. Okay, you guys are going to see the way I style this taping extension in this video. You guys are going to see the way I style it, and you can go ahead to like straighten it up to give it like that sleek straight kind of look. But I didn't do that. Like, I want it to look so natural, like the way it came, kinky straight. It looks more like your natural hair. So I did not like straighten it. I just I was comb it a bit, which you guys are going to see as well in this video. So guys, keep on watching. After installing the taping extension, I'm just going to like lose the braids I made and then just blend everything up to our hair. You guys can see the blend between our hair and the taping extension. Guys, it looks so natural. Okay, this is looking so good. Like, see that, guys? Okay, it looks so perfect, and our hair and the taping extension just blend perfectly well. Also guys, at the back, the front, the sides, you need to leave out like a lot of hair just so it cover up the taping extension very well. Like, the hair you're leaving out should not be small. Okay, it should be much, just so it does not like the taping extension is not thin. Okay, you can coil it if you want to. You can straighten it up to be sleeky straight if you want to, and I love it the way it is. Okay, these are the styles I did with this unit. You can do as many styles as you want to. Right now I'm going to just braid the hair, because you guys, the purpose of me leaving that section of her hair at the middle is to do this style. That is the purpose of me leaving it. Okay, so let's do the style, braid our hair, and the taping extension. You guys, the blend. Okay, the blend was something else. Okay, I was wowed. It just blends so well. Like you will not know that there's anything there. Okay, looks so real, like her hair, like everything was just, blend so well. I love the stepping extension, and I'm going to leave details to the stepping extension in my description box for you guys.
If you ever need a helper, you should know that I'll be there day and night. Nobody else can love you better. I'm here just to treat you right. You're the reason I'm alive. You're the only pain I can endure. And when you're not here, you're my dream, but I just wanna. Yeah, I just wanna. You're my dream, but I just wanna. I knew from the start, you my bunny, I'm your Clark. From now to eternity, I give you all my heart. We are meant to be, it's clear to see my love is bigger than
So yeah guys, this is it for this tip in installation. Hope you guys find this video helpful. Please give me a thumbs up, leave your comment in the comment section, and subscribe to my channel. Also check my description box for more details on this tip in extension. Also use my code that I'm going to leave in the description box for you guys. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.